What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And today now people, we are at Kennedy subway station. And today my people, we're going to be giving you the downtown vlog. Okay, so today we'll be going downtown, walking around downtown. I don't think I'm going to walk all out, but I'm going to walk majority. I'm going to walk about a good hour and a half. When I get about a 3-piece video, you know, my people. So I can do a KFC and order a 3-piece. I see my people. So right now, people, we are heading to the subway station. And I saw all the people take the train for go downtown. Right? So I'm not going to read the video too much. Just I show you how the place look. Tell them now, my people, I work, we are putting in the work today now, you know. Stop, you know. So now, this is Kennedy subway station. And this is where everybody take the train. Remember the days them when we are youth and I go downtown. Every day we there at Kennedy station, we are Scarborough Town Centre. I'm showing a video of Scarborough Town Centre already. So you understand my people, so you don't know. So now, I go to the next vlog, and today the downtown vlog. So I'm going to stop off at Young and Dundas. No, I stop off at Young and Bloor. And from Young and Bloor, I walk straight to Young and Dundas. Then I'll start the video right there, so, and charge up the game player. And then we're going to do a next video now for the Eaton Center Mall Tour. So the subway them looking at my people. So you train them look here. Yes, my people, come on no man. Like and share and subscribe no man. Train on my people. So the Toronto train. Look. Yes, my people. So now we're going to take the train to go downtown Toronto. So we're at Kennedy subway station. So this again, you know, people, this is for all of the people who miss foreign and left, can't come back, or they on a long trip and want to see how the place look. This is for the people, you understand? So people just want them just go and like and share, you know. Go and subscribe to each channel, you know. Make them just put out the last Drake video. Give that some like, no, my people, because you don't know, some of visit the richest community, one of the richest community in Canada, right? So you don't know, my people. Give that one some like and share and some love, you know. Give the youth some love, my people, because you don't know, so you have to put in the work same way, you see. So right now, downtown, we are going to head to right now. Like I said, the video will probably be an hour, probably 45 minutes long, because I don't want it to be 2 hours. You understand? Yes, man, my people, because I'm downtown, you know. So I'm going to do one downtown mall and a place called Kensington Market. Or when we reach on Kensington Market, you see we have a chef up phone, you see, because you don't know, it's your boy Jay, you know, my people, that is it in the one. So people go and like and share, subscribe to what 416876 what Jamaica. When the train move, make sure when the train lift off and I take off like a jet speed, you see. Bless upon yourself and thanks again for all the subscribers.
Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat. Icodon on the beat.
Welcome my people to the vlogs. And people, right now we just made it to downtown Toronto. So check it all out, my people. Downtown Toronto, my people. We just made it to downtown Toronto. So right now, people, I'm at Young and Bloor. And we're gonna walk all the way to Young and Dundas. So we're gonna cut the video there. Then we're gonna continue on to Queen and Spadina area. And after that, we're gonna do the mall, Eaton Center Mall tour video. And then we're gonna go over to Kensington Market. And then we're gonna do Kensington Market video. Alright, my people, but just go on Catch in, because you don't know, people. You guys may do this for you know. So you don't know, you know. Alright, I just want you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Because you don't know your boy Jay is out here making it work, right? And right now, my people, I am at Young and Bloor. So check it all out, my people. Check it, all these skyscraper out. You see that, my peeps? Check it out, my people. So right now, people, we are going to make a walk at a trad. Go down. Oh crap. Green light. So now, this is the way we're going to walk down to Young and Dundas. That's a square. Alright, my peeps. So the Young and Bloor are mostly where a lot of people and come off people. If you really want to tour the city and walk, but a lot of people always come off of Young and Dundas. Like me, that really come off of Young and Dundas too, you know, my people. But I never really want to come off of Young and Dundas. Because I want to go on a good walk through, a good tour of the city. So right now, you see we have all the four-way crossing. So anybody can cross at the same time. Four-way crossing, that is it, my people. And then now, boom now. Turn back around the camera. Bring it back down and look at it. It's the center, you know. I want to see what me I see, you know, my people. So why I never drive downtown, people, and probably ask all why I never drive come downtown. So if you drive come downtown, my people, from Scarborough, I live in Scarborough, you know. So if you drive downtown from Scarborough, it's a lot of energy that. A lot of work. If I work, yes, fine. But if you do a vlog, and plus if you pay for parking, if you do all of them things, my people, it's not really worth it. You understand? Not really worth it. Because now you're going to sit down in 1 hour to get down here. Probably 45 minutes to get down here. Look for parking, turtle off a parking spot. You understand? Turtle off a parking spot. And then now when you do park, you worry if somebody will break in your car. Because downtown stay more time, you know. My bridge didn't get them car broken, you know. No joke, no anything. No lollipop thing, man, my people. Yeah, man. And then, the traffic, if you get back now, you go sit down in the traffic on the Dan Valley, Dan DVP, and then the 401 for the next hour to an hour and a half. So it don't make no sense. It never make no sense. So I say, you know what? We jump on the bus at $3. You understand? So it asks about $350 to jump on the bus. Jamaican. And that bring you all the way straight downtown. It's like you get to Spanish Town, you jump on a bus from Spanish Town to town. And if you drive, you know much more gas that if you drive. But if you take your bus, it's cheaper. So me look on it, you understand? You know, we're not reaching our people. But yes, my people, we'll get back to the video. So this is downtown Toronto. It's going to take me about a good 45-minute walk to reach Dundas Square, probably 30 minutes. But when we're down there, I'm going to show you the square properly. Down there, so them always have a lot of events. So all of the events, the free show them do down there, so. Yeah, man. Big cars and stuff down here too, you know, my people. On a Porsche. PRT City, you know, my people. And why I choose that day, my people? Because I'm waiting for my foot to heal up back. I know my foot heal up back now. I can go through and walk and talk again. You see it? And today is one of the best days them for really do this vlog video. For really do the vlog video here, because next week it's gonna get cold. So I can't be in a t-shirt and thing right now. Next week I'll be a sweater up, I have to go sweater up. Because the place I get cold. I never want walking on a cold to no video. So I say, you know what? I'm just take it on to them and I have nothing to do. I have things to do too, you know, but video editing and photo shoot and stuff to go edit up, but I say, you know what, I promise me downtown vlog video. I give it to you, you see it? See building them, my people, some big giant building them, you know, man. When I first come to Canada, you know, my people, they have two big buildings here, you see? Couple of them never there yet. We reach about 2000 2006 or 7. Where they are from. Most of them big building never there. And them time them used to love come downtown. Yeah man, no joke night things, not no lollipop thing man. Yeah. Used to love come downtown, but now when you start drive now, it just like you just hate downtown. No joke. Cause when me that take a bus, you know my people, every single week, me either downtown or eating center, or me there a Yarddale, because them have a place over Yarddale named Office Road. And they always have a food place over there when you're main shop. So they sell Jamaican food for cheap. About $3 you could get your food or $2.50 back in the days on Tuesday daytime. So I always go over there so on Tuesday daytime, and because them always have the cheap clothes them over there, I'm going to do a tour over there and show you too. So there's a lot of people when they bring up the artists them. That's the first time bring them in on my people. For go buy them some cheap clothes. No joke in anything, it's not a lollipop thing man. Yeah. No joke in anything man. That's the first time bring them go. So one more time when I see them in the look how them. They pull over them quick time. I know say yeah. Alright, that's the dog them go because they're so cheap. You can get a pullover for $10. The same pullover there, if you buy it in a Jamaica, it's the cost you all on 5-6 grand. So I'm going to go over this and show you a tour. So anybody over here got Jamaica or somewhere in the Caribbean, I want to bring something for them friend them. Them know which path to go, which path to take on the street, you know. So I'm going to do that for my people. See more. Be a Sky Tower I go open to my people. Wish some of them Sky Tower, yeah. But I got there Jamaica right now. Be a Sky Tower man. Wish. But Jamaica, you see uptown, I get developed just like this to now, people. Yeah. But no Kingston and them place there. I have to treat them area there. Be a Sky Pillar, the man I put up now too, you know. Downtown on the waterfront, I tell you, say, my people. Government never come back for them land them for downtown. I hear upon me watch a vlog video and a fire must happen and the woman say government do it because they want back then land them. All of the capture land them. People the man never come back for them downtown. It's this at downtown Toronto. And you so nice and beautiful. Alright, like I youth that say beautiful. Yeah man, no joke there anything. It's not a lollipop thing man, my people. But I go and walk and go through and go and talk to the same way, you see it? We really need to invest in one of them battery pack there for the gamble still. But I'll do in times when money start running, you know? Nothing not go on right now. So when money start run back, you don't know say, I get one of them battery pack there so we can do. Because all the places I'll go and go on a tour video see me and my people. I don't want the battery dead out, you know? So people, if you've been liking the content, just drop a like to my people. Share the content to my people. You know? Share and like it up. Just share the content and like it up my people and you know? Bless up man. Don't worry. Couple them just start work back on the house right now in Jamaica. So I told the guy over there to send me some footage when he's working on the house. He said when I want a subscriber, he said when I want a subscriber link him up and get him a job. Thanks to the subscriber who will link him up and get him a one job. You understand? And so I'm grateful for that. So I bless up to the subscriber. And I will put it when they send me the next videos my people. I'm gonna put it in the link. Put him work in the video with his number again. So anybody in Jamaica, I build them house or I want to start build them house like this guy's a reliable guy. Nah rob you, nah thief you. Well he never do me that yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do me that. You understand? At the end of the day, and everybody we can put trust in her. Right? But so far we can give him a one up for that, you understand? So we still have to cut and go through, you know. Like, wish me that if me have enough money right now, my people, the place that I done already. No joke, no any things, not a lollipop thing. Me have enough if work it keep right now. Could I finish up the property and move on from it right now. But it never works so. Never works at all. So we'll keep on pushing on and make it work. But right now again my people, like I say, somebody just come in on the video. We're reaching downtown Toronto. This is a quick small tour of downtown Toronto. So I'm not gonna give you the entire downtown because it's a better be a couple hours worth of footage. See I walk through and I show you the whole of downtown. When I want to come back, because I just go to the Young and done the Young Strip and the Queen and Spadina Strip and to Queen and Spadina Strip. And then after that, I'll go over Kensington Market and go to the Kensington Market Strip so you can see how it look. And now I'll go walk through the alleyway and stuff. I go to the real. I don't want to go through the alleyway. Or I'll probably go over the homeless shelter area and show you how them are going over there sort of wicked. Whole heap of homeless people there now, people. Place are more shabby. And I like no job no there too, you know. Jobs are there. You understand? But it's like you work to pay your bills and they bill so much high, it's like the people them not care no more. Like you take 2 or 3 people right now to sustain in one apartment. Yeah man. 2 or 3 people now to take to sustain an apartment now most people, because no joke no night thing no more. No joke no night. Everybody I face it right now. Everywhere it hard. And not just Jamaica alone. Remember them say the minimum wage now add up. Over here so too. Them just raised minimum wage to 16. Must be 16.75 or 16.55. One of them. And then you tell me no that about $2,000 a month you probably make. And you rent about $1,500. Or if you make minimum wage, so you rent $1,000. You understand? You still have to pay a light. No, you're not going to pay nothing because you get that in a. You get hydro night. But still have to pay for your internet, phone bill, food, transportation fee month, and all of them things there. Bills. My credit card run up just now, my people. I have to just load that, you know. They go hit my credit, but no work now gone. What am I going to do about it? They may call you down till they get mad thing, you have to block them now, my people. So people over here say you have Captain Boyle. Captain Boyle is a nice seafood restaurant. Domino's, you have Domino's in Jamaica. Dickies, we never know, we never go there yet. Barbecue pit. Look like it turn up over there, you know. We never go there yet, you know. Look like they say they're from Texas. Now you have the famous Mackie D's. You know, people are dragon thing. You say, more downtown to be like this, you just can walk with your camera and be happy. Yes, lots of places downtown you can walk with your camera and I'm not taking away from that, you know. But the safety of just feeling good for say, yo, you can just pull out my camera like this and walk downtown Kingston without fearing somebody's gonna steal it. You know? Nobody not steal it from me right there, sir. Unless me go on the real ghetto. And I'm still not even my camera, because nobody know want to go to jail over here. Nobody want to face the justice system over here, sir. Remember me tell you that, because the justice system over here, so them harsh. Very harsh. So you're not going to put yourself in a dead situation in a broad daylight. So you run and a rob and a take. And me can describe you to police. You're mad. Whole heap of construction and things still are going on, my people. People look like we're almost there. Or we just reach college. Whole heap of pretty girl downtown. That's one of the reasons why we used to love come downtown, you know, my people. They look a pretty girl, you know. So this is a street car right there, so now, my people. People make me run. Oh, fuck. Ah. Oh. You got my car run for my leg, people. Fuck. I forgot. Just that chair and I feel it back again. Hope me never hot it up, you know, my people. Yeah. Can't run for my leg yet. But just feel it, man. Put on so much pressure upon my foot just for a while, but now I feel it too much still. So hopefully it was enough. It wasn't too much pressure. I was still I walk it out. Still up on my tour. Still I say a whole heap of homeless people. Yeah, man. Still I say a whole heap of place people. So not just Jamaica alone. I don't think just be homeless people downtown. No. We have a whole heap of homeless people downtown Toronto too. Yeah, man, my people, I can feel it in my leg. Hopefully it wasn't too much pressure still. I don't feel so because it's going now. Around there so look nice. Around there so when you go around to the college area. Check it out now, my people. Nice and proper place them, man. Nice memorial on the wall right there, so. But don't want to hold up a memorial, I go around to Kensington Market till later. And Chinatown we call it, so. Yeah. Around there so coming like downtown. Outside, yeah, man. Around there so coming like downtown Kingston. To a place set up over there, so. People may eat that, you know. I'm trying to read the thing a long time. For the mic, you know. Long time for you read the mic thing. I'm sure now, look. I saw the mic thing there for me. A long time I shouldn't do this to my people, but people go and stay tuned and go and bless upon yourself, you know. Still just like going to walk through of downtown Toronto. Right through. So everybody just keep on liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel and bless up all of the new subscribers. And you know, try to make my thing work, you know, my people. Push where I push out, see and we, you know. That is it. Alright, my people. Turn it back around and I can go and see it. Nice little brown skin girl, let's do, you know, my people. Me, if you tell you, you know. Jaja God. Yeah, man. Nice little building and stuff. Now go and check it out, my people. Like I said, downtown Toronto. The parking man them there. Parking man them over here, them a play, my people. And you look on all the tickets here, all are good. $50-$60 them a ticket here, my people. Yeah, man. So you drive your car, think you now come park. You know, sir, dead ends. Because as soon as you park your car down here, my people. Remember, I tell you, say. They're on you, you don't even know where them a come from. So what all the building there? Yeah, man. Still a walk it, still a make it work. Still I make it work with people. Sorry guys. Like we say again, people, this is downtown Toronto, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Downtown Toronto, this. Be a construction every week, every day. Nothing about construction in them places, you know, my people. Nothing. See, them are coming out to new Airbnb laws in Jamaica. Right now, them ban Airbnb downtown Toronto, you know. Yeah. Airbnb cause when Airbnb they kick up, people have to buy for units them. And I bring up the prices them on the place them. Right? So now regular people like me and you, over you can't afford a bum buckler. Sorry for the bad, sorry. Nah, I swear. But we can't afford to buy no condo downtown no more because the Asian then come over and the investor them overseas them have big money. Nice little pretty girl right there, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Nice little pretty as that, you know, my people. But not for the next nice one or two. This is downtown Toronto, my people. whole heap of pretty girl them there. No joke no, you know, see? The next building that over there, see them a destroy and I go put up a next place again. For sure you. Whole heap of building after buildings after buildings. Yeah. I'm say people, a lot of pretty girls there downtown. A lot of pretty girls downtown, man. Like Toronto, like them say Toronto is one of the city, one of the most pretty girls, like multicultural, you know, multi-race type of thing. So now, we at, I think this is this George Brown or Rice University? Yeah, I think this is Rice, this is a university, this is a college. University, this is a school, my people. So right now you can go over here so now and get your food and look a pit stop type of food them, you know. I'm gonna bring you around to the real spot soon. Don't forget the food them and stuff. Alright people. I'm gonna go in there and show them how it looks. So you can get like a truck stop type of foods and stuff here. You know? Yeah, so it's just like getting like a snack area, snack bar type of foods and stuff. They look really good. Yeah. And really good still doing peeps. No joke in 19 man. The price they may look too bad also. Dave's hot chicken. Never know about Dave's, you know. Probably need to link Dave's. Be a pretty girl downtown, no my people. No joke in things, not a lollipop thing. Oh, really I move like a man. Girl, I must took me over. Yes, my people. So right now we are Young and Dundas. We're coming up to Young and Dundas Square. That was not a bad walk. It was 22 minutes. Half walking, but half an hour, almost half an hour. So right now, my people, we're downtown Toronto, and this is the famous Young and Dundas Square. Alright, this is the mini New York Times Square. That's what they keep on saying. So this is the mini New York Times Square. I'm going to the square and showing you a better view. But down here so now, I can come down here and buy. They have all of the stores them down here. All of the stores them. Every single store is downtown. Right here. It's the Foot Locker over there, so where you get your shoes, your big brand names and stuff like that, see? It's like a mini Times Square, my peeps. Downtown Toronto. Yes, man. So you look there now, my people. Downtown Toronto, my people. There's so much people now, my people. Watch it. And this is just like a half day, you know. Imagine me come here on a full day. On like a weekend, on a Saturday. Because remember, you know, kids them they are school right now, you know. So a whole heap of people are really out right now. So imagine me come on a day where everybody they out. Now I'll take a nice good video. Now in the middle and show you now. So this is downtown Toronto. You see me people? It's like a mini Times Square, you know, man. You see that? It's like a mini Times Square right there, so. You see that? On the billboard, them people. Yeah. A nice girl up on the bicycle. Nice go whitey. Yes, man, fat body too. Let me leave them alone. You see it there? Mini Times Square, my people. Mini Times Square. So right now, this is called the Eaton Center. So that's gonna be a separate video. Right? But I'm also gonna show on the camera right here. Now turn it around. So now we're going to the center. So this is the center now, my people. You see it there? Oh, I'm sure I probably walk over the Eaton Center, not the Eaton Center, the CN Tower. But that's a far walk, yeah, man. So check it out, my peeps. Check it out. So this is the mini Times Square. Downtown Toronto. Alright, I'm going to turn it around. Yes, my people. Downtown Toronto. See it, my people. Downtown Toronto. Yeah, man. Yeah. So only, like me say, my people, we do them videos here for people who just want to remember which part them a come from. You know, understand? A whole heap of people don't remember how Toronto look. Yo, people, you have people who live in Canada. I don't even remember how even Toronto look because them not come at Toronto, period. See, my people, I'm still a weird little thing for my foot, you know. I tell you, so, my foot kind of probably hurt back up just now. Me that try to run across the road. So hopefully, it did not. Hopefully, because I have a music video for shoot. For do this Sunday. If you want me to show you behind the scene of that one, how we light it up and do the shoot there, just let me know. So, I can show it to you guys. Alright, my peeps. But, I'm going to end off the vlog here. Right here, so this part of the vlog right here, because right now I want to give you guys the Eaton Center Mall tour, and that's a separate video, and because a lot big mall. So now I continue when we reach on Queen Street. Alright, my people, bless up everybody again. Thanks again. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. You know it's your boy J 416-876 what Jamaica. Here's a dog saying hi to you guys. Alright, my peeps. Any off right, that's a no. Cross the Eaton, I go over the Eaton Center. Okay, my people, and we're back for the downtown vlog. Again, it's your boy 416-876 what Jamaica. And if you're just tuning in, my people, right now we're just giving you guys the 416 side of the vlogs. Alright, so right now we're downtown and I'm gonna show you guys where we at right now. We at the Old City Hall. Okay, my people, 1 second, let me wipe out the camera already. Sorry, my people, about that. So now we're at the Old City Hall. So this used to be the old courthouse in Toronto. I'm gonna show you guys the new City Hall. Alright, until me come out of the Old City Hall and get arrested, my people. Don't get arrested again over here in them places. And this was the Toronto Eaton Center. This is outside of it. And I just did that mall video. So when I post it, please go over there and watch it. Don't know which video gonna be posted first. Alright, my people. So just go and stay tuned and enjoy the vlogs. So right now we're at the Old City Hall and we're on Queen now. Queen Street. And Dundas area now we're at Bay and Queen. And I'm going to show you guys the new City Hall. Yes, man. So this is still downtown Toronto, you know, my people. I wish I could have want to go over the CN Tower side for sure, no? But that's too much stress. So see it now, my people. This is the Old City Hall, downtown Toronto. So I'll go and check it out, you know. Make me walk again now. I want to go and make this, I'm going to my mic. So wait them people. 2, 3. So yes, my people, so again we are the Old City Hall downtown Toronto, my people. And yeah, sure now I go on. Right over this now is the new City Hall. Now go walk over there, see me and show you my people. Walk where I walk, talk where I talk. So again, my people, downtown Toronto this. Now we at the Old City Hall and now we go over to the new City Hall. And then we're going to walk all the way up to Spadina. And we're going to end off the video right there, so up by Spadina. And then now after that, I'm going to give you guys a different video of the Kensington Market. Yeah, man. Joke day night, man. It's not a lollipop thing, you know, my people. Not a lollipop thing. So right now, right in front of the city house. Anytime I have like the city events and mayoral candidate stuff and stuff like that. On the way, yeah. So now at 3:30, because at 3:30 you hear the big clock go off. So each half an hour the clock go off. See people out here now are playing them chess and thing. I'm gonna make a couple of these at the house too, you know, my people. A couple of these little benches, I like it. And I probably remember put a chess thing in it too, see? Nice little out of concrete. I like them. I like it. Let me know what you think though. But I'm gonna have a couple of them. Just a chill out area at the house and stuff. So right now we're walking over now to the new city hall. And this is where a lot of people get married and stuff like that in Toronto. So look at my people. So this is where a lot of people get married in Toronto. I do have probably a couple weddings I do over here well and stuff right here now. In the winter time all of this freeze over, this water, and it's become the skating arena. So a lot of skaters are ice skating. All them flag them I go good, you know, my people. I used to do ice skating at school now. Never do it to me, just them teach me at school still. We never really, you know, accomplish that. But I go do some of them vlogs there, and I go change it up this year, you know, my people. I go out places, I go sit down. I go to different vlogs, man. Go outside. So now, this I should make this be the thumbnail right here now, my people. The Toronto. Yes, my people, I want right here to be the thumbnail. Downtown Toronto, my people. You understand? Turn around the camera for me too. I'm going in sunlight. Sorry. I'm going in sunlight, my people. Show you guys. Oh, look. See my people. Downtown Toronto. Yes, man, my peeps. So we have the work. We have to get the work done, my people. Work, we are working on our people. Yeah, man. See, I work, we are work. So right now, like I said, any lawyer thing, this or that, or anything comparing to the city, new city hall and old city hall, you also have a prison, not like a jail cell underground, also here to the downtown. Right here now, my people, like I said, in the winter time, all of this freeze over, everybody skate to the city side, downtown Toronto. You understand? Toronto with our people. Probably make all this be thumbnail, you know. Toronto. Alright, my peeps. So, turn back around the camera and go and walk again. See them, my peeps? So, a lot of video now I get from you now, my people. All this clock in a balance. So. Oh, God. Center. Walk, we are walking our people. So now we are going back on the Queen Street. Queen Street used to be one of my favorite streets. If I'm at the eating center, we are walk on Queen Street in the winter, in the summertime, even winter time. Yeah, man, winter time now, the warm days, them in the winter, people, they can survive, you understand? But not the cold days them. This is the Sheraton Hotel. I only for time I do photo shoot over here. Yeah, man, a big boy Sheraton Hotel. Like. So you come in the city, you want to right by the eating center, you follow that Sheraton Hotel. No joke, no, you know the thing. So, go and check it out, my peeps. So this is completely different from over when we did on Dundas. Because again, people, because they them turn off the street cars because of the thing where the big construction lock off the lane them, so that's a lot of more activity and go on. But again, like me say, school just finished for a lot of kids and the colleges them right now, so you don't know, say, yeah. See, if me drive my people, me da park over here, so. But if you walk back, if you park and walk go so far and then walk back again and walk back again, I say that don't make no sense. That's why a lot of YouTubers, them rather, like the travel YouTubers, them rather just walk and take bus and taxi and cab more than driving, because anytime you drive, remember you have to go walk back to your car, and if you walk on a long place now, it don't make no sense. Right? So the place look here. Right over there, so them have the Hilton Hotel also. I don't know, I think on the next house, see the big sign there? The Hilton Hotel, that, you know, my people. See the AC Hotel down uptown? But that remind me of the Hilton Hotel. Yeah, man, no joke there, any thing. It's not a lollipop thing. But that remind me of the Hilton Hotel. I think they copy the Hilton to make the AC Hotel. The AC Hotel expensive, you know, my people. Oh, man. The AC Hotel expensive. AC Hotel I go for $200-300 US dollars per night, probably even more, you know. Me no know, and a US that in a Jamaica, you know. Bro, I don't know. Like me always tell people, it's like Jamaica not for Jamaicans. Jamaica for foreigners or rich people who have good up jobs. Because you have to save your money, you know. You say you got the AC Hotel of Jamaica, you know. You have to save up, you know. It's not a joke thing. You really have to go out your way to save up. Just to book a one night. And why you got waste $350 US for one night. And that not include food, you know. That not include food. That are just for the room. Just to go sleep. I'm going to spend so much money to go sleep. Nah, so you can't treat yourself, you know. But that they treating it don't make no sense to me. And again too, with the hotel them down them people. So you see it right between us some people if you can see it. Over there so I don't want to go between them people, but the walking there, no normal walking. So if you want to see CN Tower side, you guys let me know. Alright. You guys want to see the CN Tower? We come back down and just do a CN Tower video on the harbour front. One day when it get back warm again. Not right now. So whenever it gets warm again, we come back downtown just for the CN Tower, the harbour front part of downtown. But that's the next big part too, you know, my people. A lot of footage I can't get down there, so, you know. But them on my people, downtown Toronto this, you know. And like I said, this video now really show all of what Toronto have to offer. But it show the majority of the local place, and a lot of more people them go. You know what, people? I think if you have a meal, you know, out of one place called Warehouse. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get some wings. I have a place named Warehouse where you get cheap food at. You can sit down over this and go and I'll charge up the camera too. Yeah, man, and that me I go do, you know. I go over Warehouse, I get some wings and probably some tacos. Some fish tacos and some wings. So, downtown with the people, downtown. You know? People them just live and enjoy them life, man. Alright, the American embassy is down there. So if you want to get your visa and stuff, it's on Queen Street, my people. The American embassy. Yeah, man. I have to get my visa for go over to America when I do trucking. But I remember trucking me used to do, you know. Yeah, man. So still there downtown on Queen Street, just I walk it out. I show you guys how it looks, same way. Still have barber shops and stuff. Everything down here. You have bicycles too, where you can rent and ride through. Next time I should probably do a bicycle, like somebody comment and say they want to see a bicycle trails. Not too bad, probably next year do a people. Next year I do the bicycle thing. I like me say my foot now really good right now. So probably next year we do the bicycle trail thing and stuff. And we used to have the black. I think you spotted it. And we used to have a black marketplace down here. But now them close it. I think them buy out the building there too. But I'm gonna walk over to warehouse, grab a meal there, and then we'll continue over to Kensington Market. This is where they do a lot of concerts too, now, my people. Like the Juno Awards, and I think they have a radio company that always do Love 101 or something like that. Always do the concert them outside right here. So also, I think in June, or yeah, I think early, so when summer just start kick off or end, them have a big concert down here. So a lot of the VMAs awards people, them type of show there. So yeah, alright, see big sign and now see big CN tower there, my people. But not because you see it, so my people, it's far away from me right now, and that's a long walk. Freely walk. Go over the eating center. Not the eating center, the CN tower. Right? Over here, so the CTV news channel. Oh, she's cute. Pretty girl, you know, my people. People like me saying, be a pretty girl at Toronto, you know. Be a pretty girl. Our next Slackins. Whole heap of food places right here, you know, my people. Wait, what happened? They close warehouse? Can't close warehouse. People got them close warehouse, you know. Oh no, man, it's a warehouse right there, some people. I'm going there and get some wings. Alright, my people, so this place right there says called warehouse. Go in there. Them always have cheap menus and stuff. I'll show you the menu right here, so I'm gonna show you the food menu. They're not really cheap again now, my people, so I'm probably gonna get some different type of food. Street tacos, chicken tacos, smoke, you know. How much is the chicken wings? $10 for 1 pound of chicken wings. I don't know if I want chicken wings. I think I want to get some tacos. So I want to get some tacos. Differently. I'm going to get about 3 tacos and eat, walk and eat. So over here, so them have the Bell Media companies and everything. Crave. The big Crave you guys always hear about. CP24 also. So right as the building is right in front of the warehouse. This is how warehouse look. Over here, so now you come and chill out and eat for cheap. You see? Menu starting at $6.55. So I'm gonna think more my tacos. Anytime I come downtown, I go to Kensington Market and I'll get some tacos. So hopefully my phone not dead, the camera not dead out, and let me allow me to get the place or more show on Kensington Market. All the ways them to downtown, and my people. I walk around here, so because I think that I see. Huh? Okay, we can leave it alone. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna check this place out, people. Because some homeless people live around here, so people, me homeless, you know. We'd have to make it, you know. Yeah, seems like some homeless people lives around here, people. So go check it out. Go check it out. People exclusive, you know. Yeah, man, some exclusive videos. Yeah, so see a lot of people around here, so them homeless. It's 2 tents. It's 2 tents around here, so and stuff to, you know, people. It's 2 tents around here and everything. Yeah, man. 1 second, people. So yes, my people, so I get something at the store there, you know, I know me that I get something about my final jacket and have a blue jacket. You see it in the video, see me, but I couldn't talk in the video there. But see what I talk about, you know, my people. So each half an hour, you know, my people. Alright, listen now. At $3.50 that you pay, you know, for each half an hour, you know. You understand? So every hour now. 1 second. So each hour now you spend what? $7 per hour to park downtown Toronto. So I couldn't pay for that. But you have fixed places you can pay your turtle off the day and call it a day. You understand me? I try to say. But that not work for everybody. So I rather just pay the CCM $3 there. When me that pay, I just pay that on the bus and come down here and I have to worry about no traffic, no parking or anything like that. You understand? So that's what I was trying to talk about for you guys, to show you that it don't make no sense if you come downtown. For winter time when it's too cold, then it makes sense to drive. And if you want to come downtown. You understand? But if not, take the bus. I'm turning back the camera around here, people. So again, people, we're still on Queen Street right here, you know. A lot of the stores them too are outside here. A lot of the stores them. See them, people? Lots of stores are outside here. I'm gonna end the video at Queen and Spadina at the McDonald's because I'm gonna charge this gamble up. And then we're going to go over to Kensington Market, my people. People must wait for go back home now because evening now, my people. Evening time now, everybody try to go home right now. Again, this is downtown Toronto, my people. Just going to walk by video to checking out the places. Put start happening now, my people, but still I walk it through, still I showing the progress, you know. See them now. The Rogers Centers when them play the games, the Blue Jays, and all of them things. Let me say in the next video, if you guys want a next downtown video, you guys just let me know. I have no problem to come downtown to give you guys a next video. Okay, my people. But the batteries look like it got dead very soon, you know, my people. So above this is a club. It's an outdoor club right here. I think, yeah, this is an outdoor nightclub. But I think they closed it because I think someone got shot there. 3 people got shot there one time, so they closed it down. Telling them people, the city ruthless at times, you know. Very ruthless at some times. Only for homeless, only for joggers them, you know. Only for stores down here on this strip. Lots of stores over this side. Like it's a nice little walk to if you have a little girlfriend, or girls if you have a little man. I don't want a little even stroll downtown. It's a nice spot because there's a lot food stores, restaurants, you see, open bar restaurants and bars on the strip where you can get meal, you look a nice little meal at, and just chill out and enjoy the day. So I like this place downtown. It's my favorite strip for walk if you want to enjoy local time, no joke. Or down by the harbor front, we're in front of the lake and stuff. Well, for people, my foot are hot, I'm done been walking. I don't know call it a day now, but I still think I want to go get some tacos because I'm downtown. When I'm downtown, I love to get my tacos them. I want to show them my taco them to them people. So lots of different local nice little stores down here. Streetcar. Probably sit down in the McDonald's and charge up my phone. Give my foot a break. Norbit. Next expensive store this doing my people. Yeah man. A joke now, it's not a lollipop thing. CIBC banker. You know. Next little outdoor bar area again. You could have a little beer and thing and chill out. So now we're getting closer now to Queen and Spadina, where I'm gonna end off this video at the famous Queen and Spadina McDonald's. Yes, this is the famous Queen and Spadina McDonald's, my people. So I wanna go across there and I'm gonna be ending off the video, or probably just end it off now because the battery's gonna dead. Over there too, my people, me have my studio right downtown to, you know, that empty slot that you see is empty now. My studio used to be right there, my photography studio. But yeah, this is downtown Toronto. Alright, my people. So people, I'm gonna end off the video right now. Just want to thank everybody who watched the video to the end, who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. People, if you enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up. This is a Toronto, downtown Toronto walkthrough vlog video by, you know, famous boy 416-876 Jamaican again, people. This videos for people overseas who want to come to Canada. I never seen Toronto before. I want to see Toronto. This is what Toronto have to offer you, and this is downtown Toronto on a Wednesday evening. Okay, so everybody again, thanks again for like, share, subscribe to the channel, and big up everybody who's been liking and sharing. And if you love the content, my people, cheers up, thumbs up. I got Ajax, Pickering, Oshawa, Montreal. Probably go to Montreal and do a Montreal walkthrough for you guys too. So everybody just like, share, subscribe to the channel. Bless upon yourself, big up on yourself. That is it.